crazy, but I'm gonna try it. Jason wouldn't record me, so.
Jason was going to record you. Jason's putting everything away.
No, Jason's
used to make
stalling. Try it. There you go. It's pretty good, you guys. It's like weird with the chips, but it's like really good. That's what it looked like.
Get closer.
Hey guys. Hey Andy. Andy and me are outside. I wanted to hop on because I just got done doing my makeup and I'm actually going to do a fall haul, but I took a few photos for a photo shoot. First some Instagram pictures just because it's fall time and I wanted to do like a cute fall makeup and just share with you guys it. But if you do like this look, let me know. Maybe I'll video it and show you guys how I did it. It was so easy. I'm wearing my boyfriend's Nirvana shirt. I had a jean jacket on, but it's kind of a little toasty out yet. So anyways, I am doing a what I eat in a day. So I figured I'd hop on, and that sandwich was so good. It was 13 points, but you could easily make it less points, no chips or something. But to be honest with you guys, it was so filling, like oddly. I'm still full. I'm only drinking water right now and it's like 3 p.m. But yeah, I'm going to also be doing a fall haul, so stay tuned. That'll be one of my next videos, or it'll be up before this, so probably get it up before this because it's literally a video I've been trying to make for a few days now, but I haven't got the ambition to get ready or anything. I just wanted to hop on and say hi, give you guys a little life update. So my weight's like staying the same, so I've been on this like roller coaster because every single weekend I'm doing something. So it's like every weekend I've been out and about doing stuff, but like I just been kind of watching what I eat, but not really, like just not overeating, and just eating till I get full, drinking water still, and I feel really good. So that makes me feel good. You know, I'm still at that same weight that I was, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not going to sit here and worry about it. It's just a number on the scale. I genuinely feel good, so it's all that matters. I do still want to lose like 80 more pounds, but it is what it is right now. I'm not going to stress it. We're just going to live each day and go by each day because you never know when your last day is going to be, and I'm not going to stress out about the damn scale. So, I mean, it's not good either to live by that, like, oh, I could die tomorrow. But still, you never know. So yeah, tonight I'm making that grilled, or that chicken in the crock pot barbecue chicken in the crock pot, which I'll probably show you now what I'm going to do for prep. And then obviously I prepped that before my lunch. So I'll show you how I prep that, and then I'll also show you how I prepare it. Hey y'all, so it's already done. I should have probably just cooked it on low, to be honest, but I'm going to shred it in a little bit. It's only 5:30 and I put it in at 1. So it's definitely done. We'll probably eat around 6, but it just falls off. So I'll shred it and then let it cook for like another, I don't know, hour or so, and then hopefully the chicken isn't too dry. But once I shred it, it won't be as juicy, because if you can tell, like obviously the spoon has holes, but it's really liquidy, and I don't want it to be super duper liquidy. So hey guys, I made my own coleslaw. I just really wouldn't recommend. I made this one here with the Kraft coleslaw mix. I'll show you this one. I just really don't like it. So if you like it, definitely use it. Otherwise, just pick up like a pre-made coleslaw dressing. That's what I had planned to do. But I just can't get past the taste, and it was just gross. So I just did mayo, salt, pepper, whatever. So we're just gonna make it work, and then I'm gonna plate up. I'm just gonna be using, my camera's dying, so I hope that I can show you guys, but these light Italian buns, they're my favorite. I'm gonna throw a little bit of the meat on it, and then I'll point it out for you guys. All right, there's my dinner. I might have another sandwich depending. I was gonna make like mashed potatoes, but I just didn't get around to it, and I'm starving, so we're just gonna go with it. I might end up having one more, like I said, but I'll throw up the points on the screen because I haven't calculated yet. I just want to eat, but super good. I feel like this is gonna be really good, especially the chicken. So Hi you guys, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've done a grocery haul, and I actually started a new job today. So we actually ran to the grocery store. I wasn't supposed to start today, but all my tests came back and they're like, hey, do you want to come in? So I'm like, yeah. Anyways, so we went to our local grocery store. We picked up a few things. I'm gonna be trying to get back on track. Not that I haven't been, but like planning my meals, making dinner every night at home. I've just been kind of maintaining slash eating bad, eating good. Like, it's just kind of a roller coaster, but everything going on, it's been kind of hectic. Any Hoosier, I'm gonna just go bag by bag, kind of show you guys what I got and kind of the idea behind it. So for my lunches this week, I wanted something simple, super easy. So we're gonna have taco in a bag. So I got the spicy nachos. I think it's like 5 points for serving. And then I did get regular beef. I was gonna get turkey, but we just decided to do beef. I picked these up. You can have 22 of them for 130 calories. Not sure the points. I'll throw them up on the screen here because I'm sure I'll scan them. We just kind of wanted to be in and out because we haven't even eaten dinner and it's 8:30. And then some Tostitos just to have with salsa. These are for Jason, but he picked these garlic parmesan toast up. I'm probably not going to eat these, but they look like giant croutons. Some more milk. We like to just have it in case. And then I picked these up, salt, sea salt and cracked pepper, pretzel bites, lettuce for my taco in a bag for lunch, seasoning for the taco meat. Here's my hummus. I got the Sabra roasted garlic, super good. Do you guys like my nails? They're the stick-on ones, and then I just put glue underneath. They've been on since Saturday, and today's Monday, so that's like a record for these nails for me. But yeah, I love the roasted garlic. I personally love garlic, so it's just really, really good. Some room spray Jason got. He's always throwing stuff in, and I'm like, during these hauls, I'm like, what did Jason get? String cheese for my lunches, some cream of mushroom and cream of celery soup. Celery. There's a recipe I've been wanting to make, and it calls for that. So 2 pounds of just 93.7 hamburger. That's our favorite because the lean is good, but it's A, hard to find, and B, it can be really difficult to cook because it gets dry really fast. So I just suck it up for an extra point. And then some family-sized Ore-Ida potatoes. We like, when we saw these, we were like, because my brother lives with us now, so we're having to make 2 bags of the regular potatoes, you know, because you only get so much. I have 2 more than the regular size, so it's perfect. Tonight we're gonna make one of these with some beef and cream of mushroom soup, mix it together, and then pour it over the potatoes. It's like it's like a go-to lately. It's so good. I just got some Del Monte. They're my favorite green beans, French style green, and then some corn. And then for breakfast, I picked up 2 things. Huge breakfast gal, but I'm gonna say if I am working and I'm hungry, it's really hard to concentrate. So especially when I'm learning here, I wanted to be able to eat something on my way to work because I do have like a 30 to 40 minute drive, so it's like perfect. I can make my coffee, warm up my stuff for 1.5 minutes, and then just hit the road. So these are egg, potato, bacon, and cheese. They had sausage, but I'm very leery of sausage because I'm very picky if it's too like, you know what I'm talking about. If it's too like Italian-y or something, it just ruins the whole thing. So what I did was get the bacon one. So these are just burritos. I think they're 9 points. I also, you guys get 38 points in a day. So I also wanted to mention these Jimmy Dean Delights. They're big. These are also 9 points, I think. 90 calories, high sodium, holy crap. But yeah, these only take a couple minutes, you know, in the microwave, and I have 38 points. So technically, you know, like if I didn't have the points, they had egg ones for 6. So if you wanted to save the 3 points and you didn't want the bread ones, definitely try those egg ones. I've heard really good things about them, but I'm really weird about eggs. So like even this is just egg whites, so that makes me feel a little bit better, but I'm super weirded out by eggs. I don't know. I love eggs. I'll eat them. I'll scramble them up myself, but like when it comes to like pre-packaged eggs, sometimes I don't like them. So I'll let you guys know if these are good or not. I'm gonna be having one tomorrow, so I'll know. I'll throw it up on the screen if they were good or not, like out of 10. But yeah, I just thought that they looked good. You guys know I love Stouffer's lasagna. I've talked about these a lot. I've shown them a lot. I just have like a cup of it, and then we'll usually make like a side salad or, you know, like a green bean vegetable or whatever. And I think it's like 9 points, but yeah, 240 calories for a cup, so really not bad. And it's so good. Lasagna from a box, never ever liked, always complained, wouldn't eat it, because I'm not very picky, but like I said, when it comes to like meat or like Italian style meat, I'm very picky. It really grosses me out sometimes, like the flavor. So this one right here does not gross me out. Love it. The cheese is bomb. If you're like a vegetarian or like a vegan, not a good choice, but, and it says no preservatives. That's good to know. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for watching my grocery haul. I hope that this can give you some inspiration. Like I said, I just started my new job today. I'm gonna be a scheduler. I've always done like receptionist work for years. I worked in an urgent care, labor delivery. Like, you guys might not know that, but that's just kind of what I was doing for like a big chunk of my life, was receptionist work. I love it. I love being able to help customers, and you know, I have that persona, if you will. People say that, like, very helpful. So I am very excited to be doing a scheduling position, because receptionist work can be kind of crazy, and especially when you're dealing with face-to-face, especially right now with COVID. Excited and thankful that I finally am behind the scenes. I still get to do what I like, scheduling, helping people behind the scenes, you know. And then the best part is eventually I get to work from home, so I'm so thankful, and all my prayers were answered. And I'm not a very religious person, but I have been praying a lot more and trying to be very hopeful, and good things are coming, and I feel like good things will come to you too. Just be hopeful and thankful, and don't let things get to you. I was very down for a while, and that's probably why, if you noticed, I haven't really been posting on here as much as I prefer. So I'm finally in good spirits again, and I'm excited for this new journey, and I'm excited for my weight loss journey. I'm really gonna punch the gun. I'm going on vacation with Danielle soon, so hopefully this is up before then, but October we're going to Vegas, so I'm really excited, and good things are to come for this year still. So but anyways, you guys, thank you for listening to me ramble. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that some of these food ideas will give you ideas for work, or if you're a stay-at-home mom, some good ideas to pop in the microwave, or you know, whatever you do. It doesn't matter what you do, because it's your life. It doesn't matter what you do, just do you. That's what I always say. Also, I got my hair done. I don't know if I even told you guys, but if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I post there a lot more. I did post that I did color my hair really dark, and there's like red in it. You can't probably tell the red, but I'm loving it. And I also got a spray tan, so I'm like looking tan. Usually I'm pale. Pale as this white milk. Okay. Love you guys so much with my whole heart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.